What's going on, YouTube? Let you guys see a little bit of our selection in here. Me and Chris are checking some stuff in that just came in this morning. Mostly in this video, I'll be just displaying a little bit on some of the HBX Spacer kits that we have. This is a super popular item on our website. We also have the Spacer Tool as well. So I'm gonna show you here in just a second the Spacer Tool, the Spacer Kit number 2, and then there's 2 more smaller packets of spacers that Hoyt released about a month and a half ago. We sell a ton of these. I know that a lot of people have a hard time finding them, so I figured I'd just do a little video so you guys knew that we had them on our website, buckarcherysupply.com. We also have this on our website, and this shirt as well. Super nice looking shirt. Love to rep my Hoyt stuff. These work on the Ventum Pro RX 5 and 7. So to do these spacer, you're gonna need the tool. The Spacer Tool has a magnet right here, and then a tool slot on each end. So how I normally do it is I pop out the axle and do each side, and then slide it back on, and then pop it out from the other way. Just take each clip off each side. Just wanted to do this as a short little video for kind of let you guys know that we have those in stock. So this is the original kit they launched. This is the HBX Spacer Kit number 2. Has your gray and black shims in there. And then these are the Spacer Kit 0.075, 0.123. And then another one, it's a 0.050 and a 0.150. And like I said, you can find all these on our website.